All right, what's up everybody? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find a YouTube search engine keyword. You do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back. So this is Larry Porter here, back with another daily dose of time freedom. In this video, I just want to share with you how to find a search engine keyword, okay? So believe it or not, there's ways to actually find out who's searching for what in YouTube, who's actually searching for it, how much search traffic the YouTube keyword is getting in the search engines, how to pick the best keywords where you can optimize your video for, okay? So I put together a little video kind of give you guys how to pick this keyword and how to optimize your video for this keyword. Okay, so let's get into that video now.
All right, guys, welcome back. Larry Porter here, back with another daily dose of your time freedom. And in today's video, I want to show you how to find the best keywords for your niche. Okay, so here's a little tool that we use for our channel here called Morning Fame. This tool is phenomenal. It'll let you know what's the best keywords to go after based upon your channel, based upon your channel size, how many subscribers you have, how many videos you get, how many video views you get per day. All this data is included inside this tool here, and it'll let you know whether or not you can rank for this keyword or not, how competitive it is or not. And this video is all about YouTube. Okay, we want to show you guys how to find the best keywords for your niche regarding YouTube videos. That's what we're about. We want to teach you guys how to do YouTube marketing effectively. So if you notice here, anytime you get a score, this is a keyword I looked up today, and I'm shooting this video as of now. So I got a good score here, okay? I got an A for relevance. And if you get an A plus, an A here, and if you get anything higher than either D or higher, you're good to go. Okay, if you get something like an E here, or E and then it's red, it's gonna let you know it'll be red. So for example here, I'm gonna show you here. For example, let's say we want to go after, let's do something here. Let's go dog training. Let's see, dog training basics. Let's go dog training basics. This is not a good keyword to go after, okay? Based upon the 71, the higher the score, meaning more traffic to it. But as far as the competition, meaning other people competing for the same keyword, I won't go after this because you got F's here. Even though you got a B for relevance, you have F's. So pick another keyword. Let's try dog training basics. What you can do, you can put a underscore here and see what else comes up. Or you can just hit this little feature here called suggestions. Service dog training basics. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see what else we got. Training a golden retriever to be a service dog. Even though you got good scores, even though this right here has a question mark, meaning it's not enough traffic, and it has a question mark, meaning this tool is like not really sure if you should go after this, meaning the traffic might not be high enough. So once you rank, you want to make sure you have a good amount of traffic to your video. I wouldn't go after this because of this question mark. But if this number was a little bit higher, I will go after it. I will go after anything 20 and higher as far as this number here. But let's try another one. Training a golden retriever to be a therapy dog. Let's try that one. Very good score. You have all A's. Once again, this number here, it doesn't have enough search volume. So anytime you get a question mark, it means unknown search volume. Too low relevance of search results. Okay. So I won't go after that. Good score, good, indicator, but the traffic here is not high enough for you to go after. So let's try another one here. Training a golden retriever puppy. But anyway, you get the idea, okay? So this is based upon your channel. So if your channel is all about training a golden retriever, this may be a good fit for you. So it's based upon your channel size and things of that nature. But this is a good tool where you can find the niche. Okay, you can find out what keywords you want to optimize your channel for and what keywords you want to optimize your videos for. So for example here, notice here, let's go back to the keyword I'm shooting now. I got a 25, I got an A here, and I got all yellows. Okay, meaning I got my subscribers, it's a passing, it's not an A, but it's passing. And I got a D here for views, and I got a D for likes and comments. This is all based upon how competitive, how much my competition is. And if I'm passing in all 4 of these here, I'm good to go. And this will increase over time once your video get more views and things like that. But this is a good starting point for a starter video. Okay, so I pretty much come in here and I rank, and as time passes along, I will eventually these return all A's. Okay, so this is how you find that. I just wanted to share this tool with you guys. This is how you find the best keywords for your niche, and this is called Morning Fame. So once you found your keyword, okay, you can come over here and you can choose for step 4. Okay, once you choose for step 4, you click this. It's going to put you in optimization mode. This is where you can optimize your YouTube video based upon this keyword. It'll have your keyword here. You can create your title. Once you put your keyword in your description and your tags, this score goes up. So this relevant score turned into like an A. Let me show you here one that we already did. For example, this is the keyword that we targeted, your return to see activation. So once we filled all this information out, we optimize it good enough and make sure our video description is relevant to our video. Okay, you want to make sure your video title has the keyword at the beginning. You want to have your keyword in your description here. And you also want to have it in your tags. Okay, and the more you do this, the more relevant, the more you tweak this and get a high relevant score, which is we have in this case is a 96%, which is dang good. You stand a high chance of ranking on the first page, preferably the first spot. So I just want to share this tool with you guys. If you want to learn more about this tool, click the link below in the description. Check out the tools we recommend section of our description here of our video. You can learn more about Morning Fame. Also, if you want to learn more about how to optimize your videos more effectively, we put together a free PDF checklist to kind of give you guys something to walk through step by step to help you optimize your videos on a day-to-day basis. All right. So I'm Larry Porter signing off from this video, and I will see you on the next one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.